Good evening. Now, coming to the concept of trade war. Before coming to the trade war, let's discuss the new economic structure that has been provided. With the removal of disputes on and around the fences, the tax structure, if we can keep it on the same ground and the platform, but the volume of the finished product as well as the raw material that has been delivered will increase, the economy certainly increases because the dispatch of the finished product was moreover restricted by the tensions on the fences. This is also applied on the tensions on the seawater area tensions, but now there is no tensions. So, by putting the tax structure on the same ground and the same level, the quantity of the finished product will increase, and since the volume and the importance and the demand and the supply of the finished product will be decided by the new market occupied and the existing old market in the other countries. So, best the quality of the finished product is, best the tax structure is, best the volume of finished product is. Similarly, in the case of the raw materials, in case of the raw materials, we don't provide the cheapest raw materials, but we go for the higher values in India. So, since the raw materials are one of the finest jewels in the trade, the way we provide the tax system on it, taxes on it, decides the future of the finished product of the other countries, and that decides the platform of the economy of the other countries. Now, coming to the trade war, as proposed by United States, that there will be increase in 15% of the taxes in the steel sector. In reply to that, what I suggest that we produce more than 150 types of steels. So, higher the demand is, higher the supply is. When the demand is higher, the delivery of the finished product is higher. So, the taxes on higher the demand will be more. But since the demand is more and the supply is more, we can accommodate United States with the increase in the taxes, but not at that level for the more demand and the more supply. So we can go for 10% for that. But for all those products of a steel where we don't have the good market, means the volume is very less. For that, we go for the taxes of 15% on that. Because in United States, we are going to build a new market for those finished products on which the demand will be created and our supply will increase. So these are the various things on which everything depends. So what I suggest in reply to the United States in the steel sector, we propose 10% to 15% increase in the taxes in reply to the 15% increase in the taxes. Similarly, in few days, I will be putting out some of the important facts on which the trade war and the repositioning, which can be tallied in a similar way to have a best futuristic economy. Have a good day. Have a beautiful day.